Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a look with the Jaclyn Hill palette. So the first shade I'm going to be going in with is this light orangey brown. And I'm applying that in the crease of my eye. Don't even look at my nails. I know they're bad. They have to be done so badly. Then the exact same thing, I'm doing it on the other eye. Then I'm going in with this burnt browny red shade. I'm putting it in the crease of my eye to darken up the look. Then I'm going in with this yellow and I'm putting it on the inside of my eye. To give the yellow a bit more of a pop, I'm going in with Inglot Pigment 29 just over the yellow. Then with the yellow that I have left on the brush, I'm just putting that along the waterline. Then once that's done, I'm just going in with this turquoise shade here and putting it on the middle bit of my eyelid. Blending it in with the yellow and the brown at the side. After that, I'm just taking this dark brown shade and I'm just popping that on the corner of my eye and blending it in towards the crease. After that, I'm just taking a clean fluffy brush and just going over the harsh lines and making sure it's all blended in. Then I'm just going in with this brown shade again and just putting it under my waterline. Then I'm going in with the dark brown shade and putting it over the brown that I just put on. Then for mascara, I'm just using the Maybelline The Falsies Volumizer Express. Here I've just applied the lashes with the Duo Glue. And for lips I use Kat Von D's Everlasting Liquid Lipsticks in Lovecraft and Double Dare. Hope you liked the look. Thanks for watching. Bye.